Good morning everybody. It's day 50 of lockdown. Can you believe we've been doing this for the 50th time? Non-stop, back to back. I can't. It's another beautiful frosty morning and I've got a camera to collect. But while I'm doing that, you might as well take a look at the competition questions. Right, so here they come. Good luck everybody, and we'll see you later on. The whole field has a sugar coating on it. It's really fresh this morning. It's really nice. So nice this morning. I can't stop taking pictures of the frostiness. There's quite a lot of scent around as well. It's really fresh, but it's lovely. Oh, just smell the freshness. Right, I'm going to continue on my walk now. I've collected the camera, so we'll have a bit more of a wander around, and then we'll head back. See if we've got any footage today. On lockdown 50. On lockdown day 50. On day 50 of lockdown. Should know by now, shouldn't I? Now I did make the mistake of setting the camera quite low last night. And when I checked the camera, there was a little bit of dew on the lens. I just hope that's not spoilt all the footage. All the footage, if we get any, of course. See, plastic fork pipe cleaner guy has moved on. I wonder how. Oh look, he seems to have moved. So hopefully you've been getting all your answers together and you've submitted your entry either via my JesterBushcraft Facebook page in a message, or you could email your entry to JesterBushcraft@gmail.com. Just don't put your answers in the video comments so that other people can have a go at the competition. Well, while you've been doing that, I've been checking on the footage and I can confirm that the camera is still working, so that's good. And last night we were lucky enough to get a rabbit and the vixen as well. Came for the bait, still a little bit wary of the camera, but yeah, got quite a few clips of the fox, and you'll notice it does keep going in on the left hand side, about halfway down the sort of thicket of hedging. It seems to go in there, so I think that is the entrance to either the den itself or the approach to the den, and we were treated to a little scent marking as well, so yeah, all good. And also some more good news. Today I got confirmation that the prize item had been dispatched and it's on its way, so that's good. Hopefully that should be here for when I announce the winner after lockdown video 53. So if you have taken the time to enter the competition and send in your entry, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate you taking part. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, I'm going to go and try and shut that dog up behind us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Good luck in the competition too.